Super Luster Booster. Hello, back here with another YouTube video. Welcome back. Today, I have a Super Rooster Booster. A Super Rooster Booster. I'm gonna drink it and then I'm gonna work out. We'll see how it goes. This tastes just like cherry Fanta. No cap. That's cherry Fanta, bro. Holy cow. That's good. Okay. I don't think the Rooster Booster's doing that much. But if it is, I can't tell. I really hope my parents don't call me up for dinner. Did I forget to mention that Rooster Booster had 56 grams of sugar in it? I could feel the sugar, but not the caffeine. Oh, I think the Rooster Booster kicked in. That's funny. But when I go to edit this video, I'm gonna look at my face there, see how retarded it probably looked. Oh, the Rooster Booster kicked in. Oh. Ooh. Yada 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 yada. What am I doing? I remember when I lost my mind. I'm about to lose my mind. we go. Stay. Stay right there. All right. Keep pumping. I keep pumping. There's a beautiful day outside, but I choose to stay inside and keep pumping. Yeah, I'm pumping. Doesn't matter how much weight, 'cause that's all I'm gonna say. Just keep pumping. Keep pumping. It's a beautiful day outside, but I choose to stay inside and keep pumping. Keep pumping. Why is this one just so much stronger? Never mind. Okay. I'm done pumping. I'm done pumping. My arm looking real big. Just like a big old pig. 'Cause I'm pumping. Bro, I just reversed that. Let's go. That's scary, bro. It swerved. Oh. All right. I gotta go eat now. I'll see you guys tomorrow when I wake up. And then we'll hit legs too. Good morning. I just had my cup of coffee. Oh, good boy. You're a good boy, right? You're a good boy. I'll see you guys in the afternoon when I start working out. Good morning. I just had my cup of coffee. Oh, good boy. You're a good boy, right? You're a good boy. I'll see you guys in the afternoon when I start working out. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Yeah, it's time to hit some legs. I almost forgot. I gotta get some Super Rooster Booster. Tastes just like cherry Fanta. All right. What's that dance called? I don't know. It's only 40 more pounds. I'm not stupid. Especially with no spotter. I'm not stupid. Nope, I'm not stupid at all. Holy cow. That was easier than I thought it would be. I thought it would be so much heavier. Alright, what's next? Hip thrust, goblet squats, front squats. And I think I'm gonna swap out or switch. Oh, why is this so close? I'm gonna switch the barbell hip thrust and front squats. Yeah. I'm so stupid. Okay. Let me get this bar into the ground and start front squatting. Front squat. Oh yeah. And by the way, it's my brother's birthday. And may or may not be missing his birthday dinner to do this. So you better go hit that subscribe button and the like button. But nobody's probably gonna watch till this point, so never mind. Oh. Oh, this isn't. For a second here, I thought I was gonna do what is it called? Overhead press. Oh. Okay, I'm done. You know what I should do next time? On the next leg workout on Tuesday? Look, I forgot I had this thing right here. I should do leg extensions and then some hamstring curls. I'm gonna do that next time. Instead of the, front squats. I'm gonna substitute the front squats for the leg extensions and the hamstring curls. Yeah, that sounds good. Oh yeah, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It boosts my confidence. But nobody's watching nobody's probably gonna watch till now, so probably just talking to myself now. Alright, have a good day. I'll see you in the next one.